No, Romeo! Deny thy father and refuse thy name!
Then call me Samuel, my princess. Shall I sing for you? You're the apple of my eye, sweet and sour at a time. Oh, oops, I forgot my lines.
I think I'll wait for my Romeo then. My one and only…
Stop! Milady! I think something is wrong with my phone!
But I don't see anything.
Yeah, well, it doesn't have your number in it.
Not your best line, Prince Samuel. Bye-bye.
No, princess! I promised to, build you a yummy castle. Milady, give me your hand, shall we?
Hi, guys! And that's how happily ever after turns into cooking.
Oh, my princess, but you asked for it. I've just fulfilled your wish.
I'm not nagging, though. I love baking cakes. What about you guys?
Give us a thumbs up if you're on our baking team! And keep whipping the butter!
Yep, whip harder to make the batter for a fluffy sponge cake.
Susie, is it time to add sugar now?
Oh, sure! But be careful, we don't want to make it too sweet.
That's right! Now you can mix everything! Go, go!
Guys, make sure that the batter texture is smooth, and we'll keep going.
Princess Susie, I have a royal gift for you from my slime kingdom!
Wow, what a great gift, and right on time!
Holy cannoli, that was a golden egg!
Sorry, my prince, but everything comes in handy now.
I can't watch it. I'll go make some flour with baking powder.
Guys, we should mix it up again. Let's dance to cheer ourselves up! We're on the finish line! Let's add vanilla extract.
And some flour mixed with baking powder. Don't be greedy.
Now mix it up one last time till you get a nice smooth batter.
Ah, yummy! Guys, let's make a secret ingredient. It'll make our castle cake truly magical. Check this out.
I guess something is missing. Oh, I know! Just a few drops of the food coloring. And then comes the next step. Let's mix it up. I'm an expert here.
Shiver me cheddars! We need more of that!
Agreed! That's why I prepared one more color. It's my tribute to our favorite slime prince. Cool, huh?
That's more than cool! I can't wait to add that perfection to the batter! Susan, let's start with this color. I pour, you mix. There we go!
Okay, but let's speed up the process this time. And hup, much better. Guys, you can do the same thing using a mixer. Here we go.
More batter, Sue! I promised you a big castle!
Okay, please preheat the oven up to 170 degrees Celsius. And here is the second batch. While the sponge cakes are baking, let's make a tasty frosting. Prince Sam strongly recommended adding vanilla to it.
And don't forget about the cheese! I mean cream cheese, of course! Taste kinda plain. We need sugar!
Okay, let's add powdered sugar here. The frosting should be sweet.
And squeeze some lemon juice! It's an essential ingredient!
Here we go, like this. We've accumulated all ingredients. Let's mix the frosting up.
Susan, check it out! I've already cut off the top crust.
Thanks, Sammy, but you should do it with this side as well. And I'm gonna take the frosting to chill in the fridge.
Well, well, crusty layer. Watch your back!
Guys, now we're gonna smear this yummy frosting on the first sponge cake layer. We'll start with the pink one.
It's so heavy! Just right to hold the layers together.
Smear it smoothly. Ooh, just like this, guys.
Keep going, Sue. I'm gonna chill here if you don't mind. Oh, yes.
Our castle cake will be so fluffy and creamy.
Nice and smooth. My mouth is watering.
Not bad. Now let's adjust the next colorful layer on the top.
Sponge cake and frosting! Sponge cake and frosting! Guys, repeat those steps with us!
The main part of the castle is ready. Oh, where are you going?
Milady! I brought you new gifts! They are behind me!
Wow, this is fondant! So many colors in here.
Let's roll the pink one to make a cover for the castle! I'll start!
Wait, Sammy, that attitude doesn't work here. I'll roll the fondant for the sponge cakes and you'll prepare decor pieces, all right?
Okay, I should impress my princess. I'll never come back if I don't.
Guys, roll the fondant in all directions and you'll get a pretty round shape.
Princess Susan, no flowers can compare with your intelligence and beauty.
That's so nice of you. Sammy, give me just a second.
Wait, I didn't know that we had moving towers.
This one is gonna be purple.
Here you go, Sue. I'm your most devoted and skilled admirer.
That's for sure. Guys, let's smooth the fondant a bit more from all sides.
From the right side, too. I guess we're done.
Finally, let's cut off the leftovers. Try to do it in one smooth motion.
But if you can't, don't worry. You can ask an adult to help. Sue, we need a place for our royal castle. Come on, come on.
Is this good enough for you?
Interesting. Yep, watch carefully, my princess. Whoa, Sue! We are real pastry chefs!
Guys, what do you think about our pink castle? Oh no! We have to protect the castle from the dragon fire! Let's strengthen the walls with squishy marshmallows.
Food! I smell it! Yum yum! Even furious dragons can't resist sweets! Susan, hurry up while she's distracted! The dragon ate half of the marshmallows!
1 brick and 2 bricks. Sammy, just don't stand there. I need your help.
Susan, you're distracting me. I'm practicing here.
What is this? I'm curious. Guys, what about you? Stay tuned. Ah, that was a window opening. But Sammy, what did you practice?
Singing ballads for my princess next to her tower. Look out the window, milady!
I gotta make the shutters, otherwise it's too noisy.
Fine! Then I'll find another princess who appreciates hard rock.
Don't go! I'll make sure to always leave this window open.
Then I'll give you this flower so you always remember your secret admirer.
And from now on, the castle's towers are decorated with flowers.
Guys, let's make it happen together! Watch and repeat! Look at this, guys! It's awesome! That's how you do it! Princess Susan, I have another gift for you! Check this out!
Wow, this tile looks so real! But why is it not finished?
I want to do it with you! It's gonna be our play date!
It's more like a craft date. Guys, watch your hands while working with the knife. Let's wrap the tile row around the roof. And keep going till the roof is fully covered. And the last one, all done!
Amazing! I have various ideas for different towers. Do you want me to show them to you?
And I have some more waffle cones to spare. Let's do it!
Hell to it, but we have some frosting left here. Scoop it up, Sue! I mean Princess! And smear it on the waffle cone!
Princesses started building their own castles, huh? What's gonna be next?
Ah, and Prince's chilling cake sprinkles! What a life!
Last touches, and then I'll cover this in slime.
Maybe in the next life, Susan! Or in the life after that!
We'll spread the sprinkles all over the cone to get a colorful tower roof. And then we'll place a new roof in its place. A little rhyme.
Okay, we have 1 violet roof, 2 violet roofs. Sue, let's make 1 more violet roof!
Why don't we make it in a more minimalistic way? Just wrap fondant around the cone. We'll secure it on the back side a bit, and the third design is done.
That was a simple one. What are we waiting for? Let's build more towers. La 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 do. Ah! Shiver me cheddars, it could have squashed me.
Don't worry, I promise I'd save you, my prince. Now it's your turn to show off your decorating skills, Sammy.
Woohoo! Slime Prince transformed into a landscape designer! Let's go! Wow! Here I am, milady! Did you change your mind?
I have to taste this beautiful cake first. The smell is a real chef's kiss. Guys, I bet you want to try a bite too.
Sue, come on, try it! The cake is so good!
Let's try a small piece. Mmm.
You know, Susan, I've changed my mind.
Hey, wait! You said it was my gift!
Cakes are better than princesses! Sorry.
Guys, princes are so mischievous nowadays. Give a thumbs up if you agree.
And if you liked our cake and you want to see